What I love about the Alumni Association is that we are devoted to giving back to our students through multiple types of programs, but especially through our scholarship program. Our scholarship program is dedicated to students who want to continue on into their graduate degrees. For me, that is probably the best part of the association, being able to give back to these students and then seeing how impactful that is for them.
So joining the Alumni Association was important for me because it was a way to connect with alumni, with students, and I could help the community through CSUB. The opportunity to help co-create the Runner Alumni Mentor Program, this wonderful mentor program that we created to help students, current sophomores, juniors, and graduate students be able to transition from college and help them with their career. And this program has really benefited so many hundreds of students. So I would say that's my favorite thing to be involved in, and the CSUB Alumni Association.
My favorite part about being active with the Alumni Board is being involved in all of the events. One in particular, Party in the Park, has always been my favorite. It's such a great night in the Alumni Park, and you're able to eat and drink and just laugh and listen to great music. I also enjoyed Hall of Fame, getting to see some of our inductees, hearing their stories, and these are people who have gone to CSUB and go on to do great things, real inspirations. But those two are really highlights for me in being involved.
The CSUB Alumni Association really represents all of the amazing, diverse alumni from CSUB. We represent a runner family of more than 56,000 strong. And so as an alum, I would just ask that other alumni in our community, here locally, in the region, in the Valley, and beyond across the state of California and across our country, that you get involved with the Alumni Association. What the Alumni Association aims to do is to be the bridge, really, for alumni to stay connected to their alma mater. Visit us at csub.edu/alumni. Fill out just your most current contact information. That way we can keep you abreast of what's happening on campus, updated with all of the latest happenings, and we hope that you'll continue to stay connected to your alma mater.